Good morning students. So today we are going to see about the array concept. So in the last video we have learnt about the functions in PHP. So in chapter 4 we have learned the introduction to PHP. So how we are going to use the syntax and how we are writing the programs in PHP and what are all the data types available and what are all the operators in PHP. Okay. So in this next chapter we are seeing the functions and array concept. Okay. So in the last video we have learnt about the functions. So how many types of functions are there in PHP? So that is functions, user defined function, built-in function and parameterized function. So three types of functions are there in PHP. So user defined function is the function created by the user, that is us who are creating the program, and then the built-in functions are the functions which are created when the program is created, when the software is created by them. And next we have seen about the parameterized function. So in the bracket we will be giving the parameters. So we can give many parameters that can be separated by commas, and how the parameter values are getting into the function and how the values are accessed we have seen. So today we are going to the new concept array. Okay. So we have seen what is an array in the data types. Array is a data type. You have learnt in the 8 types of data types you have seen, no? Integer, float, boolean, string and array. So array is also a data type in PHP. So what do you mean by array? So array is having more than one values with the same name. Okay. So they are having the same data type and they are having the same name, but we can store more than one value. So how the more than one value are accessed only we are going to see in the array concept. Okay. So arrays in PHP. So arrays, so they have the same data type and they have the same variable name. So how they are accessed is they are accessed by the index number. So index number is the main one. So what is the syntax for creating an array? So first a variable equal to array. So array is a keyword and then comes the value. So value 1, comma value 2, comma value 3, etc. Okay, so this is the syntax for the creating an array. So syntax for creating an array, first a variable, so which is equal to array. So this is the keyword. So this word should be written as such, and in the bracket you are giving the values. The values are separated by commas. Okay, so this is the syntax for creating an array in PHP. So let us see an example. So what is the rule for creating a variable? The variable must start with the dollar symbol. So dollar, so A. I am having a variable A, so which is equal to an array. So array is a keyword, you must use as such array. So I am giving, let me see, giving a 3 values. Okay. So 75, 85 and 95. So these are the 3 values I have given. Okay. So how these values are accessed? So if I want the value particularly how is 85, then how it can be accessed? For accessing these type of values only we are using the index. Okay. So இப்போ அரேன்னு கொடுத்துட்டோம், டாலர் ஏன்னு கொடுத்துருக்கோம். அந்த டாலர் ஏங்கிற வேரியபிள்குள்ளே தான் இந்த 3 வேல்யூமே சேவ் ஆகி இருக்கும். ஓகேவா? அப்போ அந்த 3 வேல்யூமே தனித்தனியாக எப்படி நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணுறது? ஸோ அதுக்கு யூஸ்க்கு என்ன ஹெல்ப் பண்ணும்? இண்டெக்ஸ் நம்பர். ஓகே. ஸோ இப்போ டாலர் ஏ ஆஃப் 0 ஓகேவா அப்படின்னு கொடுத்தா நமக்கு என்ன வேல்யூ கிடைக்கும்? 75. ஓகே. ஸோ இந்த ப்ராக்கெட்டில் இருக்கிற வேல்யூஸ் வந்து இண்டெக்ஸ் நம்பர் மூலமாக ஆக்சஸ் பண்ணுறோம். ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் த இண்டெக்ஸ் ஸ்டார்ட் வித் 0, 1, 2. ஓகே. ஸோ டாலர் ஏ ஆஃப் 0னா 75, டாலர் ஏ ஆஃப் 1னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 1ல என்ன இருக்கும்? 85, and then in the variable a of index 2 you will be having the value 95. Okay. So first index start with 0. For every array the index starts with 0. So a of 0 is 75, a of 1 is 85 and a of 2 is 95. Okay. So this is the array concept. They are under the same data type and they share the same variable name. Okay. So this is the array concept with numbers I have given to you. You can use the same thing for the strings, that is characters also. Okay, suppose if you are having dollar name, so my variable name is name and I am giving array, and within the bracket how I can give the values. So within the strings must be given within double quotes. So 1 or Raj, any name, okay, comma, so I have given 3 values. Okay, so dollar name is equal to array, so array is the keyword. Now I have given 3 string values, okay, that is, and word, 3 words I have given, Raj, Ravi and Rani. Okay, so now what will be in the place of name of 2? So array, so this is a string array, so it has 3 strings, and how it can be accessed. In name of 2, which value will be there? So Rani will be there because the index starts with 0. So name of 1, which value is there? The second value will be there, and in the name of 0, the first value will be there. Okay, so name of 0 means the first value, name of 1 means the next, and name of 2. So the index starts with 0. So this is a string concept, string based data type, and this one is a integer based data type. So the 3 values belong to integer data type. Here the 3 values belong to string data types. So all the values must be of same data type and they share the same variable name. Okay, so the index starts with 0. So you can directly access the value of inside the array. So if you want only the particular value 85, then I can specify only a of 1. Okay, இந்த 85ங்கிற நம்பரை மட்டும் நான் ஆக்சஸ் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா a of 1ன்னு கொடுத்தா அந்த 85ங்கிற வேல்யூ மட்டும் நான் ஆக்சஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். Okay, so this is the array concept, and in PHP there are 3 types of arrays. Okay, so what are all the 3 types of array? So first one, index array. So first one, index array. Second one, associative array. And the third one, multi-dimensional array. So there are 3 types of arrays in PHP: index array, associative array and multi-dimensional array. So index array is the one, the basic type of array which we have seen. So index array means they have the index number, and the associative array means for each value there will be a key. When I explain it, you can understand it easily. And then multi-dimensional array, that is we can have more than one array. Okay, so that is the dimensional will be, we are having only here one dimensional. So if you have the index second array within this, then it will be 2 dimensional. So we, like that you can create more than 3, 4, 5 dimensional, but when it exceeds 3, it will be more complicated. Okay, so இப்போ இதில் வந்து ஒரே ஒரு டைமென்ஷன் வச்சுருக்கேன், அதனால ஒரே ஒரு செட் ஆஃப் வேல்யூஸ் தான் இருக்குது. இதே இதில் இப்போ ஸ்ட்ரிங்கை இதையும் கம்பைன் பண்ணி நான் கொடுக்குறேன், நேம் வேணும் அப்புறம் எனக்கு மார்க் வேணும் அப்படின்னா 2 அரேயை கம்பைன் பண்ணி கொடுக்கும்போது அது 2 dimensional அரே ஆகும். அதே மாதிரி இன்னொரு இது எக்ஸ்ட்ரா ஆட் பண்ணுறேன்னா it will become 3 dimensional array. Like that the dimension can increase. ஆனால் 3 dimensionalக்கு மேலே போனால் நம்மளால் மேனிப்புலேட் பண்ண முடியாது. நமக்கு வந்து அதை டேட்டாஸை கேதர் பண்ணுறதோ இல்லை ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணுறதோ கேட்டகரைஸ் பண்ணுறதோ கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டமாக இருக்கும். ஸோ மேக்ஸிமம் we will go up to 3 dimensional array. Okay, so 3 types of arrays are index array, associative array and multi-dimensional array. So let us see a program for this array concept. We have seen 3 types of arrays are available in PHP: index array, associative array and multi-dimensional array. So now we are going to see the multi-dimensional array. Okay, so what is the syntax for multi-dimensional array? So it will be having more than one array within it. So what is the syntax is, as usual it will be having the variable is equal to, so array, and then again within the array you are creating more than one array, right? So array value 1 comma value 2 etc. Then again the second array, so value 1 comma value 2 etc. comma, comma, again the third array, value 1, comma, value 2, comma, etc. So this will be the syntax for multi-dimensional array. Okay. So in the multi-dimensional array, within one array you will be having the another array within it. So first you will be giving the keyword array. Within the array you are creating more than one array. So first array is this, second array, and then the third array. These all comprise under the keyword the first one. Okay. So here I am having value 1, value 2. This is the basic simple index array format. So value 1, value 2, etc. Here how many values you are giving, you can give. So this is as it has 3 arrays within the array, it is a 3-dimensional array. So as I said earlier, if you are going more than 3 dimensional, it will be get complicated. So that is a 3-dimensional array. Okay. So now let us see a program, example program for 2-dimensional array. So the PHP coding will start with question mark PHP. So $student equal to array, and then I am going to create 2-dimensional array inside it. So array, the first one has the value Tamil, and then I am giving another value as 75, comma, the second dimensional array has array, and then English, or let me have 1, the first person, and then 2, okay, and then I am having comma 81, so 85, comma 95. So now I am going to print. So for printing I will be having echo. So echo first student name and mark is equal to dot symbol. Next I am giving student $student of 0 0 name, okay, and then dot comma $student 0 1 dot comma dot $student 0 2. Okay. Again I am going to print. I am printing in the second statement as second student mark, second student name and mark is equal to, so dot $student 1 0 dot comma dot. So I am going to print the next 2 marks. So $student 1 1 dot comma dot $student 1 2. Okay, then question mark statement. So this is a simple program with 2-dimensional array. So student is the variable name. It has the keyword array. Within array I am having 2 array. The first array has the value 1 75 81, and the second array has the value 2 85 and 95. Consider this as the first student mark and his name and 2 marks. Consider this as a second student name and it has 2 marks. Okay. So now I am printing it. First student name and mark is equal to. So first I want the name of the first student. So the name is, let it be 1. So 1, that is in the value 0 comma 0. So this is 0 comma 0, this is 0 comma 1, this is 0 comma 2, and this is 1 comma 0, 1 comma 1 and 1 comma 2. Okay. So now what will be the output for it? So what is the output? First I have using first student name and mark equal to. So first 1, and next I have asked to print 1 comma. So comma 75, that is in the 0 comma 1. Again I have asked to print 1 comma, and then the value will be 81. And next I have given the second, printing the second student mark. Again I am using again one echo statement. So second student name and mark, so which is equal to, so first I will be having 2, and then I have printed comma, then 85, and then 95. Okay. So I have given the second student name and mark equal to, I have specified within the double quotes. The double quotes ku na enna kudukrano adu appadi print agum. So it is given within the double quotes, so that is equal to, and then student of 1 comma 0 la 2 irukku. So again a comma, and then 1 comma 1 la 85, 1 comma 2 la 95. So this is the multi-dimensional array concept. Here I have used the 2-dimensional array. Okay. So in a 2-dimensional array, the index will start with 0 comma 0. In single dimension it will start with 0, 1, 2, 3, no. So likewise in 2-dimensional array the index will start with 0 comma 0, and next it will be 0 comma 1, 0 comma 2, like this. In case if you are having a 3-dimensional array, then what will be the index? So 0, 0, 0, it will be the starting one. So 0 comma 0 comma 1, 0 comma 0 comma 2, like this it will be going. Again 1 comma 0 comma 0, 1 comma 0 comma 1, 1 comma 0 comma 2, again it will be going on. So for the next one we will be having the same thing, 2 comma 0 comma 0, 2 comma 0 comma 1, 2 0 2, like this. Okay. So for 3-dimensional array it will be going like this, and for 1-dimensional array it will be going on. For 1-dimensional array it will be having the index starting with 0, for 2-dimensional array like this, and for 1-dimensional array it will move on like this. Okay. So this is the types of array, that is indexed array and multi-dimensional array we have seen. In the next video we will see about the associative array. So I think you are clear about the array concept. So next video we will see about the associative array. Thank you students.